Hi folks, Mark Dashnow from Kirkville Locomotive Works. Today I'm working on a video on how to smooth and finish a 3D printed product. Before that, one of the most often asked questions is how do I put these together so that they're one piece? Because you can see, this section here is one piece from here to here. This section's one piece, this section's one piece, this is one piece, this is one piece, and this is one piece, and they're all glued together. I use Loctite's version of super glue, and it works really well. There's a couple ways to finish a product like this. On surfaces like the nose where it prints out, it prints with this sitting on the printer like this, and it'll work its way up and build layer upon layer. So all of the grooves are in this direction. I can go ahead and just hit that with sandpaper and smooth that out. But when I have details, such as the louvers and the doors, I really can't get in there and sand, because I'm going to lose that detail. And then something else I should mention real quick. I actually glue on a metal mesh for the decking to simulate the floor, kind of like on your USA and Aristocraft models. Because that pattern is incredibly difficult to draw into a 3D file and print. So I just use a wire mesh. I'm going to go ahead and put the same finishing process on this to help glue it down, to help secure it. And then another thing about this model real quick, you see that the back exhaust isn't actually glued on. The reason for that is this piece is the same size as the Aristo RS3 smoke unit. So if you wanted to put a working smoke unit in this, and you have an extra RS3 smoke unit, that will fit in this model. That hole is designed for that. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take just a normal file, and I'm going to take any ridges out of any of the joints. I'm going to take those out with a regular file first, and then the way I'm going to finish this model is to use the Ecstasy 3D resin. It's 2 parts of the big bottle to 1 part of the B side of it. You can do it either by measuring out in cups with graduated measurements on it, or you can do it by weight. But it's 2 parts to 1 part. And then it's just using brushes to brush the product onto your finished surface. It will self-level, and then you can go ahead and let it cure for 24 hours. And then if you need to do any touch-up sanding or a second application, you can go ahead and do that. This product is about $25 from Smooth On out of Pennsylvania. I'm going to go ahead and get started working on my model. I'm not going to film and work on it at the same time. But I'm going to, if I get into any spots where I think I need to update you guys, I'll make a video for that. And then I'm going to make a video tomorrow of the 3D coated resin product when it's done curing.